Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to view your subscribers on Substack. Here's how to view your subscribers on Substack. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Substack account. How do you do that? Open www.substack.com in your web browser. Click on login at the top right corner and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can manage your newsletters. Then, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop down menu, go ahead and select your profile name in here, which is Mark Amanda, and click on that. That's going to take you to this page where you have activity, posts, likes, and reads. All right. Then from here you have new post, edit profile, and the three dots icon. So click on the three dots menu and you have copy link, share, and publisher dashboard. Select publisher dashboard and that's going to take you to the publisher dashboard where you can now manage all your content or manage your entire account in one space. Now at the top corner you have home, you have posts, you have podcast, subscribers, stats, recommendations, and settings. Go ahead and click on subscribers and that takes you here. Now in this page you're going to see all of your subscribers. You're going to view or you see a list of all your current subscribers. Now all subscribers here, and you have paid subscribers. You can also check the growth over time for your gross annualized revenue, paid subscribers, all followers, and you can even use this filter to, of course, filter it to the different duration or the different periods. Then head over to all subscribers, which is down here. Now you will see their email addresses, subscription status, the subscription type, subscription status as well, and any other relevant information. So subscription type, activity, subscription date, revenue, you're going to see everything here. So from this section you can take action such as removing the subscribers. So you can select a subscriber and look for an option to remove or unsubscribe them by yourself by using any of these options. So click on the three dots menu and so you can also edit a subscriber detail by clicking on edit subscription. Then you can send a message to them. You can also import or export subscribers. Click on add subscribers to import subscribers. Click on export to export subscribers. Now depending on your Substack plan, you may have access to analytics that show how your subscribers are engaging with your post. Now these steps will guide you in viewing and managing your subscribers on Substack. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course once you are done you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.